Hello, today I will share that how you can check plagiarism of your document. It can be a report, it can be a research paper, anything, and how you can check it. The software I'm going to use is Turnitin. So when you get into the Turnitin, okay, one thing is important. Please get your login, user ID and password so that you can check your this. You can either contact your supervisor or your project guide who can assist you in this regard. Otherwise, he has to check this for you. If you get email this username password, you can check it off your own. So just focus on the video, and it's very important. Please don't miss any important point. So the first thing is you are supposed to put your username password here and then press into the login thing. So once you log in, you get a screen like this. So here you will find out instructor. So just click on this, you get into the student. So once you get into the student, you will find out two different classes being created for you. So I will be clicking on the library class. So it will take some time to open. So in library and in this ECE or EE, what you will find, a number of assignments has been created. And what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to submit some file over here. So all of them are already submitted, so you have to resubmit. So one thing is important, after 3 submissions, you need to format them. Because if you do not format it, then it will take 24 hours so that you can get your reply back. So from here you will submit. So I am clicking on resubmit, and it is saying that already this much has been spent. So you will submit, choose from the computer and upload. That's all. So this is the submission. So here you can actually submit. So once you have submitted, or what you're going to get. So after certain time, when you have submitted, then a report of this will generate it. Normally, for a smaller document, it will take some time, and for a longer document, for a bigger document, it may take 5 to 10 minutes. So suppose this is being done for you. Now you will click on the view, and here you can find out that a window is popping up. So please open pop-ups for this. So this is just some random thing. So here you can see what is being copied from some source, and what matches with that source, you will get it a different color. So you click on 21. So here you can see it is giving that 4% is being copied from source number 1, 2, 3, and so overall it is accounting towards 21%. One thing you can do, you can click here, filters and settings, and here you are supposed to click on don't exclude by size and apply changes, because this will actually help in. Now it's 32%. So it's a pure thing. That means, but normally in the papers, you get a exemption of 1%. So that's all. So 1%, it is reducing to 21%. So you have to keep it to 1%. So you have done this. So you will find out all the reports are there. Now for your reference, it need to be downloaded. So you need to click on this. So you click, then on current view, and a PDF is being created, and it can be saved to a particular location depending upon this. Right now the internet speed is not at its best, so it will take some finite time. Otherwise it will take only 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so here you can see your PDF is actually being created, although it is going to, it's now downloaded. So here you can see this is the name, and this is your digital receipt corresponding to that. Now this is your folder, and here you can find out corresponding to different colors. Now at the end, you will find the report also. So here you can find out the report. This is the report. So here you can find out that the source number 1 corresponds to 4% and so on in this document. So it's a quite easy thing, not a big deal. You can save it to your location so that you can refer it and accordingly change it. So I hope you get a fair idea of how to check the plagiarism. And if you have any doubt, you can consult your supervisor or you can contact me so that I can help you. It's a quite easy thing. So thank you very much.